You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. This is a name from Greek and from the Bible, and of course the name of a famous city in Pennsylvania, United States. Let's look at the different pronunciations. It comes from Greek, meaning love. Philadelphia. Philadelphia is what it means. Now, in English, the pronunciation is generally as Philadelphia, as in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. It means brotherly love. Philadelphia, from Greek, Philadelphia. Phila is love, Delphia, brotherly. Brotherly love, Philadelphia, from Greek, Philadelphia. And now I think you know it all. Don't you think? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.